Hi guys, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been wondering how I paint all of the gingham pieces that I've been redoing, I am about to do it in this video and kind of give you a short tutorial as I upcycle an antique suitcase, which is kind of brown and boring. It's actually been sitting in my booth for $8 for over a year. So I pulled this suitcase out of my booth. I'm going to repaint it, put it back in my booth, and try to sell it for probably around $35 now that it's super cute and now that it's a piece of modern farmhouse decor rather than just an old suitcase that apparently nobody wanted. So let's get to work and I'll show you how I do that. And here is the finished result. I love how this turned out. It is no longer a boring, borderline ugly antique suitcase. It is so cute now, perfect for any modern farmhouse look. I just kind of draped this lemon garland just in the opening and left it cracked open a little bit, and I love how it looks. It also would be like a great little storage piece if you have, I actually used to store like my sewing equipment, any extra fabric and stuff in there. But it could also hold books. It can just be a really cute piece of decor to hold blankets or just something, you know, you can just set it in your room, fill it up with whatever you want, not in plain sight. And I just think it's so cute. The double-sided gingham means that you could stand it up if you wanted to display it that way. Lots of options. And definitely a big improvement from before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more DIY videos. I have a lot more coming up. I appreciate you watching today. Bye guys.